got day 3. Lincoln, Springfield, Sherman, and a bunch of surrounding towns. This is what we got. It's a lot less than yesterday. Yesterday was a hell of a route. I don't have any Decatur stops. Like I said, it's Lincoln, Springfield, Sherman, and a couple other areas. I should be able to get done a lot quicker than 4:30 p.m. One thing I will say is this a big difference running during the day as opposed to at night. Your body reacts totally different to everything. It's like night and day. I woke up at some point last night and from tossing these tires yesterday, my arms, my triceps, shoulders, etc. was just burning. I'm talking about in a way that I have not felt in a long time. So this is definitely a physically challenging work. So I'm just finishing up my final stop in Lincoln. And I'm now about to head 28 minutes over to Sherman, Illinois. Day 4, 5:15 a.m. We got some warrior tires. So I just got my driver manifest. The first day, the route I ran was cut and simple. Pretty much I went up to Springfield, stopped in Lincoln, and was done. Headed back to the warehouse. Now I was still within the 250-mile frame that Curri set for me. And it's not like we can't go over that. Technically, that's the amount of miles that their drivers do per day. But first day, cut and dry, simple. I was done by 1 p.m. Second day, they double up the tires and the amount of stops. I went from 11 stops the first day to 19 stops the second. And probably had 40 to 50 tires the first day, probably over 100 the second. They just started loading the truck. It's probably right around what I said, 6 a.m. And so today, and they got me going a whole different route, which I end up back in Decatur, Illinois. But the route I'm running today is totally different. So today I got 15 stops, but 313 miles round trip. So immediately what I'm about to do is take a picture of the BOL, send it over to Curri, and they're gonna have to pay me accordingly. One thing I will say from doing these little 4 days in this warehouse environment around the same people each morning, it definitely makes me appreciate having my own business. You know, coming in, dealing with people, their issues, problems, and attitudes, it ain't for me. You know, the short periods of time that I deal with people when I'm loading or unloading is slim to none compared to what you're dealing with being around somebody for 8 hours a day, more than you would be around your woman or husband. So this is what we came up with on this fourth and possibly final day. 313 miles, and it's not many tires at all. I'm counting probably 50, 60 total, but I definitely got some miles to run. I believe it's like 2 hours between one of my stops. on this route, the way it's ran is totally different. Most of the stuff was like close and compact, no more than like 40 miles or so between a stop. But yeah, I got a 2 to 3 hour stint between my first and second stop. But we'll get it done. No sweat. So I'm pulling out of the tire warehouse and I actually stand to be corrected. They got me out, as you can see, at 6:06 a.m. So I'm en route and I should be at my first stop by 7 a.m. This is my first stop here in Farmer City, Illinois. So it's 3 tires here. First stop are gonna be these big boy Michelins. I might flip a couple of these while I'm back here. Why not? What y'all think? Big boy grabber. And that's what those 3 tires cost them, just in case anybody was wondering. And as you guys can see, till my next stop, I got about another hour. So between stop 1 and 2, it took me 2 hours just to complete those. I pull up here, I unload 9 tires right in front of the door, go in, wait, the guy's talking to a customer. As he's taking the customer out, he asked me what I need. I said, hey, I just need a signature and payment. Well, you need to call your company because we pay with a credit card. I said payment. That could be with a check, credit card, or whatever you choose to pay with. Oh, well, give me 1 second. I'm gonna help this gentleman and then I'll be right with you. Okay. So he go outside 3-4 minutes. I take my pictures and I'm pretty much done with the delivery. I just need his signature and I'm good to go. So I go outside and kind of meet him where he is as he's headed back in. And he's already giving me the finger to hold up. So I just stop him and kindly let him know, hey, I just need a signature and I'm free to go. And I hand him the phone and I tell him, hey, tap first name, tap last name, and tap signature. Each field you can input your first, last name. Oh, well, you know what? Take the tires back with you and have them send my normal guy out here because I don't normally have to put in my first and my last name. Well, what's your first and last name? Casey. I need your last name, sir. King. So then he, oh, I'm too busy and this, that, and the other. And now it's 4 or 5 other males standing around, watch this guy get bent all out of shape for nothing. He just wants his regular delivery guy. He even said, hey, put the tires right there by the pole. They're already sitting right there, sir. Oh, you already got them right there. Well, let me find something else to get pissed off about. Just something about you just irritate my spirit today. Now I'm headed over to the Champaign area, which is about 40 minutes away. And I should be arriving there approximately 10:30 a.m. They were making this thing run to like 4:35 p.m. I don't know exactly who they think they're dealing with, but that's not the case today. So I'm kind of catching on to what the difference is today as opposed to the other three. They're having me go into a particular area, do 2 or 3 drops, and then drive another 45 minutes to an hour to another area, and then rinse and repeat. So as opposed to having me spend an hour or 2 in one area dropping the bulk of the tires, it's like 4 here, 45 minutes, 10 here, hour, 15 here, 30 minutes. So I'm spending a whole bunch more time driving as opposed to dropping. And that's kind of what's making the day longer. The guy at the Walmart that I just left in Urbana, Illinois, he was actually laughing. He was like, so I really got to sign for one tire? Like, I went all the way to Urbana, Illinois to drop one tire at a Walmart. And now I'm back roading it another 5.1 miles to my next drop location, which is in Champaign, Illinois. So this is stop 7, Champaign, and it's here at the Ford dealership.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
So I got 3 more stops after this. Currently at the Walmart, dropping 2 tires. They are right there up against that wall. So we got Firestone, Walmart, then Sam's, and that'll complete this 4-day contract with Curri. I don't know if they're gonna have me back next week or not, but I know the first day was 800, the second day was 880, because it's based off an 8-hour day. So each hour over is an extra $40. So it was 880 for the second day. It might have been 800 for yesterday, and it's going to be over 800 for today because it's based off of 250 miles. And this route today was 313. So they're going to owe me at least another $40 on this route. 2 stops, 2 tires a piece, and we out this joint. Hold on, see Decatur, y'all disrespectful for this. That little hole in the... That's in Chicago, boy. You shit me.
Go past this light, then at the next one, turn right.
And these last 2 stops here in Decatur are a Walmart and a Sam's, directly next door to each other. Why they need them next door to each other, I have no idea. I thought they were pretty much the same establishment. And I can say after the 4th day, I fully got the hang of it. The physical part wasn't really much, but knowing how to pair the phone and the printer, what paperwork I need, how to quickly separate and put the tires in order by stop, it took like 3 to 4 days, which I don't think is bad, but yeah, it's not all foolproof. And then the toll this takes on your body, if you're doing this every day, you're gonna be in hella fast shape, trust me. Oh, the finale. Tire installation. I ain't seen them rims in 18 years. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a 4-day contract in the bag. $3,200 plus. We'll talk about the exact amount a little later. Yes, sir.